So here you can see that I have an object with a bunch of textures. And now let's see how we can work around with the shader properties so that we can change the look of this object that we have right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around into the shading tab over here on the top. And here you can see that I have this object. So I can go around right here and then work around with this and see it in different views, as you can see. So I'm just going to pan around by holding shift, and there you go. This is what I have. So once you open out this object, you can see that on the bottom you have these options, like you got the principal BDSF, which has all of the properties, as you can see right here. So if you were to change around the properties right here, then you can see that this affects the color over here on the top. So you can decrease the color right here, increase the color as well, increase and decrease right here. And then there's metallic right here. You can increase out the metallic color right here, just like this, and there you go. So you can make it more metallic, just like this. You can also work around with specular right here to increase out the specularity of the object as well. And then you can also go around onto specularity tint right here. So you can go around, increase and decrease the roughness right here. You can make the object more shiny like a disco ball, as you can see, or make it more rough. So let me just make it more shiny right here so it reflects the environment over here. And there's other option right here. There's like this one, and there's scene right here, just like this, which go on to the side. There's like clear coat right here, and so forth. There's like transmission and so forth, emission strength, and so forth right here. There's like alpha and everything else, as you can see right there. So now if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this area, I can go around and then expand this, and here you have the environmental scene as well. So if I were to go around here and then let's say for example choose this, then this is what I have. So you have this object, you have this object right here, which is the environment around. You can also go around over here onto the properties, increase and decrease the strength of the environment, and also work around with the opacity. You can also increase and decrease the blur of the background, as you can see, and it reflects out on this object right here. And now you can see that it is taking out the natural lighting of this environment, and it is being reflected on this object right here. And that is how you can work around with the shader properties inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.